All right, folks, what do you say? Friday morning, last day of the week, sun shining, let's roll. Feeling strong. Speaking of strong, look at the stock market, recovering most of those losses that we saw yesterday. A lot of green on the screen right now. Really interesting how the story has changed, right? A couple weeks ago, everybody's freaking out. Fear was inflation. Well, now we're looking at interest rates like the 10-year trade lower day after day after day, hitting 1.25%. That freaks the market out because now everybody thinks that the market's not going to grow as fast as expected. We see this COVID variant. That's got people scared. It goes to show the story can change at the drop of a hat. You got to be ready. That's the beautiful thing about trading. Certainly trading in Nadex, right? Those short-term opportunities. One day it's up, next day it's down. You can trade that price action, but you got to be in tune with what's going on, and you got to be agile. You can't be dogmatic in your views. You've got to be willing to shift with the market as the dynamics of the market change. All right? What do I mean by that? Well, can't always be bullish, can't always be bearish. A lot of trading is flow. It's being fluid. It's back and forth. It's like a dance, if you will. So let's get in the dance today, right? Stock market, higher. Dollar, lower against the euro, lower against the pound, higher against some of those risk-sensitive currencies like the Aussie. Let's get in there. Let's trade it up. Let's have some fun over the weekend. I'll see you Monday.